Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can enhance your fishing experience, the Garmin Striker 4 with portable kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Garmin Striker 4 is all about. This is a compact yet powerful fish finder designed to help anglers of all levels find fish more effectively. It features a simple and intuitive keyed interface with dedicated buttons, making it incredibly user-friendly. You can easily install it and get started, whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into fishing. One of the standout features of the Striker 4 is its Waypoint map. This allows you to view, mark, and navigate to specific locations on the water. Whether you're trying to find your favorite fishing spot, a brush pile, or even a dock, this feature makes it effortless to pinpoint your destinations. Imagine the confidence you'll have knowing exactly where to go. Next up is the CHIRP sonar technology. Unlike traditional sonar, CHIRP sends a continuous sweep of frequencies. This means you get a wider range of information, resulting in crisper fish arches and better target separation. The clarity of the sonar data provided by the Striker 4 can be a game changer, especially when you're on the hunt for that elusive catch. For those who enjoy ice fishing or vertical jigging, the built-in flasher is a fantastic addition. It allows you to view your sonar data in a classic flasher format, which can be particularly useful in these scenarios. The ability to see real-time data in a format that's easy to interpret can significantly increase your chances of success on the ice. Let's not overlook the practical aspects of this product. The Striker 4 now includes a Kayak in-hull transducer mount, making it an ideal choice for kayak fishing. This feature ensures that you can take advantage of the device's capabilities no matter what type of fishing you prefer. With a transmit power of 200 watts RMS, this fish finder can detect depths of up to 1,600 feet in freshwater and 750 feet in saltwater, giving you the versatility to fish in various environments. So, who is the Garmin Striker 4 suitable for? It's perfect for both beginners and experienced anglers. If you're just starting out, the easy installation and user-friendly interface will help you get the hang of things quickly. For seasoned fishermen, the advanced sonar features and waypoint mapping provide the tools necessary to improve your fishing strategies and increase your catch rate. There are numerous practical use cases for the Garmin Striker 4. For instance, if you're planning a weekend trip to a local lake, you can easily mark your favorite fishing spots and navigate back to them with ease. If you're a kayak angler, the lightweight design and portable kit allow you to take it with you wherever you go, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to reel in a catch. Even during ice fishing season, the built-in flasher can enhance your experience, helping you monitor the activity beneath the ice. In summary, the Garmin Striker 4 with portable kit is a versatile and powerful tool for anyone who enjoys fishing. With its user-friendly features, advanced sonar capabilities, and practical applications, it stands out as a must-have for your fishing gear. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.